Dyn Bach Sinsir, the gingerbread man. Un diwrnod, penderfynodd Mari a'i mam wneud dyn bach sinsir ar gyfer ei te prynhawn. One day, Mari and her mum decided to make a gingerbread man for their afternoon tea. Roddodd Mari lygaid siriol a gwein ddrygionus gyda eisen gwyn i'r dyn bach sinsir. Cafodd wisg morwr gan mam. Am ddyn bach sinsir smart. Mari gave him cheerful eyes and a mischievous smile with white icing. Mum gave him a sailor uniform. Oh, what a smartly dressed gingerbread man. Mi gawn ni fwyta'r dyn bach sinsir I de, meddai mam. O, na chewch chi ddim, meddai'r dyn bach sinsir yn bold. Llamodd ar ei draed a neidio oddi ar y bwrdd. We can eat the gingerbread man for tea, Mum said. Oh, no, you won't, said the gingerbread man as he jumped to his feet and off the table. Brasgamodd ar hyd y llawr y gegin ac yn syth allan drwy'r drws. Roedd Mari a Mam wedi ei ryfeddu. He ran across the kitchen floor and straight out of the open door. Mari and her mum were completely surprised. Rhedodd Mam a Mari a'r ci a'r gath nerth ei draed ar ôl y dyn bach sinsir. Stopia! Gwaeddodd y ddwy. Mum and Mari and the dog and the cat ran as fast as their feet could take them, chasing after the gingerbread man. Stop! They both shouted. Ond nath y dyn bach sinsir ddim stopio. Dim ond redeg yn gyflymach nath e. Dan ganu, redwch a redwch fel y gwynt ar natur, ond newch chi byth ddal y dyn bach sinsir. But the gingerbread man did not stop. He started running faster, singing, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Daethant I gau lle oedd yna fuwch. Smotiog yn cnoi cil ar y glaswell yn llon. Stopia, stopia, brefodd y fuwch wrth i'r dyn bach sinsir redeg heibio. They came across a field with a spotty cow, who was happily munching on the grass. Stop, stop, the cow shouted to the gingerbread man, who had just run past. Ond nath y dyn bach sinsir ddim stopio. Dim ond redeg yn gyflymach nath e, dan ganu, redwch a redwch fel y gwynt ar natur, ond wnewch chi byth dal y dyn bach sinsir. But the gingerbread man did not stop. He ran faster and faster while singing, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Rhedodd y fuwch ar ôl y dyn bach sinsir, a rhedodd Mam a Mari a'r ci a'r gath ar ôl y fuwch. Ond allai'r un ohonyn nhw ddal y dyn bach sinsir. The cow started to run after the gingerbread man. And so, Mum and Mari and the cat and the dog ran after the cow, but none of them could catch the gingerbread man. Roedd yna hen gaseg lwyd yn pori gerllaw. Pan welodd hi'r dyn bach sinsir, gwerarodd, Hey, stopia! There was an old grey donkey grazing nearby. When he saw the gingerbread man, Hey, stop, he shouted. Ond nath y dyn bach sinsir ddim stopio. Dim ond redeg yn gyflymach nath e, dan ganu, redwch a redwch fel y gwynt ar natur, ond wnewch chi byth dal y dyn bach sinsir. But the gingerbread man did not stop. He started running faster. While singing, Run, run as fast as you can. You can't catch me, I'm the gingerbread man. Ysgydwodd yr hen gaseg ei chymffon a charlamu ar ôl y dyn bach sinsir, a redodd y fuwch, Mam, Mari, y ci a'r gath ar ôl y gaseg. The old donkey shook his tail and ran after the gingerbread man, and so The cow, Mum, and Mary, and the cat, and the dog all ran after the donkey. Ond ni allai'r un ohonyn nhw ddal y dyn bach sinsir. But none of them could catch the gingerbread man. Dyma'r dyn bach sinsir yn dod at afon fyrlymus. O, llefodd, allai I ddim nofio sut na I groesi. The gingerbread man came across a fast-flowing river. Oh no, I can't swim. How am I going to get across? Sleifiodd llwynog gyfrwys draw at y dyn bach sinsir. Wna I dy helpu di groesi'r afon, neud ar fy nghefn I, meddai. A sneaky fox came over to the gingerbread man. I will help you get across the river. Hop on my back, the fox said. Dyma'r llwynog yn dechrau croesi'r afon, gyda'r dyn bach sinsir yn eistedd ar ei gefn. So the fox started swimming across the river with the gingerbread man on his back. O dear, meddai'r llwynog, mae'r dŵr yn mynd yn ddyfnach. Byddai'n well I ti ddod I sefyll ar fy mhen. Oh dear, said the fox, the water is getting deeper. You'd be better off moving to stand near my head. Felly, neidiodd y dyn bach sinsir a symud at ben y llwynog. So the gingerbread man jumped towards the fox's head. Ond dyma ceg y llwynog yn mynd snap, 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 a dyma'i dannedd miniog yn cnoi a chnoi a chrensian, a dyna diwedd y dyn bach sinsir. But then the fox opens up his mouth with a snap, snap, snap. The fox crunched him up, and that was the end of the gingerbread man. Felly, fe gafodd y fuwch, y gaseg, y gath, y ci, Mari a Mam I gyd fara a jam I de prynawn hwnnw. So, the cow, the donkey, the cat, the dog, Mum and Mary all had bread and jam for their afternoon tea instead. A dyna'r dyn bach sinsir.